In this video, we are going to see how we can make or create a playlist on YouTube. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. All you have to do is just head over to the YouTube studio. And on the left hand side, we have this content, analytics, and so on. But on the top right hand corner, we see a little button which says create. So from here, we can upload the video, go live, create a post, or create a new playlist. Click on the new playlist. And after that, you give the title of the playlist, you add a description, which is a little explanation about what is contained in that playlist. You can set the visibility to either public, private, or unlisted, and default video order can be set with the most popular ones, the newest to oldest, manually sorted, and so on. And you can set the language of the title and description, and then you start adding the videos to that playlist. And once you're done, you click on create, and that is pretty much it. After that, you should be able to find this in the content section under the playlist. Obviously, you can add new videos to it whenever required, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.